Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create download link in Google Drive Android. So how to create download link in Google Drive Android, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open Google Drive on your phone and search for the file you want to send via the link you want to create. For example, I use this file to send using a link. The trick: tap and hold the file that we will send so that additional options will appear. Please tap the three dots in the file. Then in the additional options, please manage access. In menu manage access, click anyone with the link. Choose who will have the link, here according to what is needed. For example, to create a download link, just select the view option. After that, return to the main menu of Google Drive. And then tap and hold the file that we will send again so that additional options will appear. Please tap the three dots on the left of the screen, then the Copy Link tab. And the link will be copied to your clipboard. After the link has been copied, then to test the link whether it is correct, please open the browser on your cell phone and enter the link that was created earlier. Yeah, the link has been successfully created, and use the link to share. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.